Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I've tried something new, that is aesthetic DIY. So I've turned two glass bottles into beautiful decor pieces. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and also press the bell icon if you like the video, and without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I've taken an empty glass bottle, and then instead of just painting it with acrylic colors, I'm going to give it a terracotta effect. And for that, I'm going to mix baking soda with acrylic color. And now I'm mixing the baking soda and the acrylic color really well, and then I'm going to apply it on the bottle using a paintbrush. After painting the entire bottle, now I have taken air dry clay and I'm going to roll it to cut moons out of it. So first of all, I've taken a plastic sheet and I'm going to dust some talcum powder over it so that the clay does not stick to the sheet. And then using a marker, I'm going to roll it, and with the help of a lid, I'll cut the moons. And now when the clay pieces were dried, I've painted them using golden spray paint. You can also use golden acrylic paint instead of using the spray paint. And now I've taken a glass bottle which is all dried, and now I'm going to paste the moons on the bottle using white glue. And with this, our first DIY aesthetic bottle decor is ready. And now let's move on to our second DIY, and to make this I've taken an empty Eno bottle, and then I'm going to grab a newspaper and I'm going to tear it roughly using my hands. And now in a bowl, I'm going to pour some glue and water, and I'm going to make a thin mixture out of it. And now once the mixture is ready, I'm going to apply it on the glass bottle to paste the newspaper. After covering the entire bottle with the newspaper, now I've taken a square chart paper and I'm going to fold it into half, and then using a pencil I'm going to draw a shape of butterfly on it, and then I'm going to cut it using a pair of scissors. After cutting it, now we will paint it using acrylic colors. And now I'm going to take my glass bottle and I'm going to paste a butterfly in the center using white glue. And now I'm going to wrap a jute rope around the neck of the bottle. And with this, our second DIY aesthetic beautiful bottle decor is also ready. You can use this as flower vase or a pencil or pen holder as well. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.